Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Vakar. I'm your friend Vakar. In this video, we will start learning how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. If you already installed WordPress, then you can proceed to this video. If you didn't install WordPress online or localhost, you can watch the video how to install WordPress on localhost. The video link will be given in the description. Let's get started by installing a theme. The theme that we are going to use in e-commerce website is Flatsome theme. Flatsome theme is not free. It costs $59, but you don't worry. You can download this theme with free of cost by going this website wpthemes.store. Let's download it. First add to cart. Once you add to cart, go to checkout. Enter your first name, select your country, select your city, leave this blank, enter your email address, once you enter the given data, then click place order. Now our order has been placed. For downloading WordPress theme, go to account and click downloads. You will find your Flatsome theme. I have already downloaded this theme. Let's go to the download folder. Here's our theme. Right click and click on extract file here. Go to Flatsome main and go to theme files. Here is your Flatsome parent theme and child theme. We will go to upload or install this Flatsome theme. Go to website, click upload theme, click choose file, or you simply drag and drop to choose file button and click install now. It will take few minutes and your WordPress theme has been installed. Now our WordPress theme has been installed. Click on activate. Now theme has been activated. Let's install the setup wizard. Click let's go. Click continue. Click skip this step because we are working on parent theme. Click continue. It will install the required plugin. that we need in theme. Just wait. Contact form is used to create contact forms, newsletter form, Nextend social login used to login as a social platform. WooCommerce is the functionality for shop e-commerce and shopping website. It will ask you to install demo content and click on skip this step because we are not uploading the demo data or demo content because we are learning and creating our website. Click skip this step. Scroll down and click continue. This is asking to select the preset themes or data. Here we are click on skip this step because we design and develop this website from scratch. Click agree and continue. Here is the message, your website is ready and theme has been activated. Click view your new website to see your website. Here is the home page that we are going to design. This is looking very ugly and not a professional website. We will start developing. Click on dashboard, close this tab, also close this tab. Ignore this message. If you have this error, the theme recommends the following plugins that you should install. First, these plugins by clicking begin install plugin. Click install. The plugin has been installed successfully. Click on dashboard. Click begin activating the plugin. To activate this plugin, click activate. This is the WooCommerce wishlist plugin. Now again come to dashboard, then go to all post. When we install WordPress or WooCommerce, we have some dummy data. We need to delete or trash it because Google SEO or Google catches this dummy data for SEO purpose, and we don't want to make it SEO because it's a garbage data. Then start deleting this data. Click title. If you have many blogs, you can click on bulk action, then click move to trash, then click apply. Then click trash. Click on bulk action and then delete permanently. Click apply. Then click on setting and go to permalinks. Permalinks are the appearance of your website URL. The URL that you have seen here, it's called the permalinks. This is the domain name. After the domain name .com, .pk or whatever your country domain ends with, the following character or words is called permalinks. Select post name because post name is good for SEO. Click Save Changes. Then go to pages. We will start creating our pages. When we install WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce by default creates some pages itself: cart page, checkout page, my account page, privacy and policy page, refund page, shop page, wishlist page. Click new, add new page. Name this page home and click publish. Sometimes you see the schedule page button. Sometimes you see the schedule page button instead of publish. Don't worry, just click schedule. Then go to click immediately and select one previous date. Now our publish button has been appeared. Click publish. Then go click this WordPress icon to come back to the dashboard. Then again go to setting and click reading. What should be your home page display? It's your choice. A static page or a latest post. We have deleted latest post because we are not creating blog site. We are creating our e-commerce website. That's why we create home page. Just click on static page. Then select home page. It will our landing page and home page. Then click save changes. Click on visit site. Now you can see that the default home page has been gone and new home page is now displaying. In this video we have learned how to install flat theme in WordPress. The theme we have installed is Flatsome, and then we install the required plugin. We set the permalinks, we set the home page. I will be waiting for you guys to join me in the next video where we start new chapter by setting up the WooCommerce and add categories and attributes. This is our table of content. Throughout this tutorial series, we will learn these things and create our e-commerce WordPress website. Before going, hit the like and subscribe button.